Hello learners, this is Excel with Habeeba. I'm back with some inspirational stories which makes impossible possible. Let's begin with today's story, that is the other side of the problem. Father was busy doing office work. His 10-year-old child would repeatedly come to him with some question and harass him by asking. The father was getting upset by this action of the child. While solving this, he thought, why not give such a work to the child in which he should be engrossed for a few hours? In that time, I will finish my work. This time, when the child came, the father picked up an old book. The world map was made on one side of its pages. He tore that page of the book and then cut that page into many small pieces. Giving those pieces to the child, he said, it was a world map made on the page. I have divided it into few pieces. You have to make a world map again by joining these pieces. Go and add it. When the world map is made, then come and show me. The child took those pieces and went away. Here the father took a sigh of relief that now the child would not come to him for several hours and he would be able to do his work in peace. But within 5 minutes, the child came and said, "Dad, look, I have made a world map." When the father checked, he found that the map was connected correctly. He asked in amazement, "How did you do this so quickly?" "It was so easy, Dad. The fragments of the page you gave me had a world map on one side, a cartoon on one side. I added the cartoon, the world map was created automatically." The father just kept looking at the child. So what is the lesson we gain through this story? Often we see a big problem when we see it and think that the problem is very big and it cannot be solved. We see one side of it and form our own point of view. Whereas there may be another aspect to it from where its solution can come out very easily. Therefore, whenever there is a problem in life, it should be assessed by looking at every aspect. Some easy solution will definitely be found. So in everybody's lives, problems will come. But what is the main solution here? Stay calm, think again and again, once, twice, thrice, but take your own time, think for the solution properly without any hurry, then you will get the solution very easily. So, I hope you like this story. If you like, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. I'll come with another story in the next video. Until then, happy learning.